shall we continue? हाँ, तो हम कहाँ थे? Bright career. What is bright career according to you? Anyone? Mehika. See, I know you and Tushar, so I'm going to ask a lot of questions to you guys today. Please tell me, what is bright career according to you?
When you're doing very well in your career, you're earning well, your profile is very nice.
Great. Anyone else? Perfect. See, एक hint देती हूँ. जो भी आंसर दोगे, it will be correct. So just come up with answers. What is bright career? Anyone? Come on, please.
Career that helps in building a good standard of life.
Amazing. Yes, you?
Secure future with good income.
Very good. Anyone else from the back? Guys, bright career क्या है according to you? What is bright career? Please.
Who expects currently a good position and long term already positive.
Very nice. Very nice. Please.
पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ जिसमें बहुत बढ़िया हो दोनों.
Absolutely right. So, who all have answered, they've answered perfectly correct because according to you guys, everyone has their own definition of bright career, right? Some of you wants to become, suppose, a good dancer. Some of you wants to become a good higher position manager in HR or IT or something else, right? So for you guys, आप सबकी journey अलग है. आप सबका जो career goal है, that is also very different, right? So we cannot give this a particular definition कि हाँ भाई इसका मतलब bright career है, right? So whatever you guys are saying, it's perfectly correct because let's suppose Mehika, she's really good at public speaking or anchoring, right? So she must have a path. ये अपने आप को कहीं देखती होगी, right? Suppose like a TV anchor or something like that. So for that, this is a definition of bright career for her. For example, if someone wants to go for IT company, so they must have seen them as the IT head. That could be a bright career की definition for them, right? So first of all, इस चीज़ को हटा दो कि भाई एक कोई particular definition है bright career की. No. आप सबकी जर्नी अलग है, आप सबकी ओनरशिप अलग है, आप सबका रास्ता अलग है, राइट? सो फॉर ईच वन ऑफ यू द मीनिंग ऑफ ब्राइट करियर इज डिफरेंट. इसको एक जनरल टर्म में हम लेके आते हैं. बेसिकली ब्राइट करियर का मतलब यही होगा गाइस कि रीचिंग द पीक ऑफ योर करियर, राइट? वेयर यू आर अर्निंग वेल बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली पैसा सबको चाहिए, राइट? सो यू आर अर्निंग गुड आउट ऑफ योर करियर. सेकेंडली, यू हैव दैट सेल्फ एस्टीम, यू आर सक्सेसफुल, right? You're doing really good. That could be a greater definition of bright career. So today we'll be taking this session to reach our bright career. Okay? कि हम अपने आप को इतना पॉलिश, इतना ग्रूम, इतना कैपेबल कैसे करें कि हम जो हमारा गोल है, which is reaching the peak of our career, जो हम देखते हैं, जो हम एम करते हैं, वो कैसे पहुँचे. Are we all good? Understood? The moment you have any query or have any objection, just come up, just raise your hand. Because I want this session to be as interactive as it can become. Right? Okay. So starting with the point, I think सबने बहुत बार सुना होगा, हम लोग Instagram पे भी, YouTube पे भी, we keep on scrolling. I think one point which I also agree for starting to reach your bright career is knowing your passion. अब आप बोलोगे दी तो सब बोलते हैं यार, जो दूसरे बंदे यहाँ आते बोलते हैं यार पैशन को फॉलो करो, पैशन को नो करो. बट व्हाट अबाउट जो पता ही नहीं कि व्हाट इज माय पैशन, मेरा पैशन है क्या, राइट? तब क्या करें? पैशन तो सबको फॉलो करना आता है. हाँ भाई मुझे आई हैव दिस टैलेंट, सो आई विल बी फॉलोइंग दैट, आई विल बी गोइंग टू दैट XYZ स्कूल और गोइंग टू जॉइनिंग दैट कंपनी. बट व्हाट इफ आई डोंट नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज माय पैशन? देन मैं कैसे उस चीज़ को फॉलो करूँ? सो व्हाट कैन वी डू टू फाइंड आवर पैशन? एनीवन? क्या हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आवर पैशन? क्या हो सकता है? जस्ट अ जनरल अप्रोच. कोई बताएगा प्लीज? ग्रेट. एनीवन एल्स?
Find yourself where you interested.
परफेक्ट. कोई और? एनीवन? ओके. सी, जब कुछ ना पता हो ना, तो जस्ट डू वन थिंग, एक्सप्लोर. एक्सप्लोर n number of opportunities, explore n number of options. For example, you are in BCIPS. Your faculties, I am sure, offers you abundance of opportunities. It's okay. So to actually, platform yourself in front of public, to groom yourself. आपके PPTs होते हैं, आपके debate competitions. I'm sure BCIPS conducts these competitions, right? Debate competitions, PPTs, and all those stuff. Just explore yourself. Come out. Don't keep yourself in shell. That is very important. Because जब तक पता ही नहीं चलेगा ना कि मुझे लाइफ में करना क्या है, then I think it will be very difficult to actually follow your passion. फिर बताइए क्या होगा? जॉब मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी वो तो पता नहीं. अपनी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करोगे, अपने दोस्तों को देखोगे that they are getting jobs, they are doing something. तो जो मिलेगा वहाँ पे चले जाओगे. And that is the worst thing you can do to yourself. Trust me, I've done that. I've done that mistake. And I want you guys to avoid that. अगर एक path, if you will be having a greater path, clear path that yes, I have to do this. मुझ पे ये चीज़ अच्छी है, I can do that better. So you can plan your journey accordingly. Okay, मैं कोई ज्ञान नहीं दे रही हूँ. So I say don't be so serious. I'm just sharing my experience with you guys because ये होता है. अभी I think MBA first year के बच्चे कौन-कौन हैं यहाँ? First year. And final year, second year? Okay, mixed streams, right? And marketing, HR, IT, सब mix हैं. Okay. So I think you should be telling me exactly कि what is your passion and what do you want to follow, because this is the high time, right? The moment you step out of the college or of your student life, जो लगता है ना guys वो पलट जाता है. अभी your parents are paying your fee, right? Your parents are sponsoring your education. Your teachers are there to support you. That you should do this, you should do that. But the moment student का tag हटा, expectation changes. Even your parents also, they will expect you to at least work and earn something, because everyone is investing in your education, right? Education complete करके एक महीना घर में बैठे, what will happen? Pressure rises. जो मिलेगा वहाँ जॉब कर लोगे. Then you get depressed कि यार ये तो मेरा फोटे ही नहीं है, मैं यहाँ पे 6 महीने दे चुका हूँ. What is happening? So this is the correct time, right? This is the correct time. You should start exploring. और वो कैसे होगा? Participate करो यार. इतनी opportunities आपको कॉलेज में मिलती हैं. PPTs आपको प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मिलती हैं. Debate competitions होते हैं. Then I think a lot of extracurricular activities are there in college. So just come out. You never know what actually is made for you. आपको क्या चीज़ अच्छा लगे करने में. So इससे related एक story है. When I joined BCIPS, I used to sit back. मतलब उससे भी पीछे कोई जगह होती ना, मैं वहाँ जाके बैठ जाती. I was that backbencher. But then मेरे टीचर्स ने बहुत पुश करते थे मुझे कि अरे यार just come forward and PPT तो दो या कुछ करो, just do something. So starting में ना मुझे बड़ा बुरा लगता था कि यार why they keep on pointing me? Why they just कि यार तुम करो, और को क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं? But when I started taking that positively कि नहीं चल एक बार देते तो यार प्रेजेंटेशन, क्या होगा, हंसेंगे ही ना, और क्या होगा ये बताओ. Nothing else will happen. The moment you will groom ना, so वही लोग बात करेंगे आपके बारे में कि यार ये बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Trust me, मैंने वो जर्नी एक्चुअली फील की है. तुषार knows it, right? So उस टाइम में ना ऐसा लगता था कि यार ये क्यों बोल रहे हैं, क्यों मुझे नहीं आना फ्रंट में, आप जिसको आना उसको लेके आओ ना. बट यहाँ की फैकल्टी ऐसे है that they'll actually support you. No, you have to come in front. You have to speak. You have to prove yourself. So then I started giving PPTs. थोड़ा सा confidence मुझे आया. Then debate competitions में I started participating. So that also boost my confidence. In the final year, एक farewell party थी. So मेरा friend था, friend ही बोलूँगी. So he was actually gave his name for the anchoring. ठीक है. So that was the only motivation factor for me to go and give my name for the anchoring. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं था, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता था. I was so zero at speaking in front of people. अभी आप लोग मुझे देख रहे हो ना, पहले वाली सुनानी होती ना, तो I could have just shut myself down. So then I participated. Tanushree ma'am was there. We actually planned for the anchoring and end time पे ना उसने back off कर लिया. उसने anchoring ही नहीं की. And I was stuck. I didn't really have that confidence कि मैं भी back out कर लूँ. So I was stuck. And when I went on the stage, इसको ध्यान से सुनना because this is the truth. When I went on the stage, मतलब I was so confident and so happy, speaking and cherishing the crowd and making them laugh, and some things were happening. Everybody actually appreciated me, and उस दिन ना it felt that yes, this is something which I want to do in life. और वो कैसे था, मुझे आइडिया भी नहीं था दैट आई एम रियली गुड एट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग और एंकरिंग. आई डिडंट रियली हैव एनी आइडिया. मुझे लगता था कि यार चलो ठीक है, लीफो फीफो पढ़ लेते हैं अकाउंट्स हो जाएगी, बस आगे कर लेंगे. बट बाय पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन co-curricular activities, that thing actually came up as a motivation factor for me that I have to do something in this domain in my life. After that, उस चीज़ से ना आई वॉज सो अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट, मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस मिला. देन इन द MBA आई बिकेम मिस फ्रेशर. I represented my college in Anugunj main stage. I anchored with Guri, I anchored with Sukhvinder Singh, I anchored with KK, and I anchored with two, three more singers. So that's what it took me. वो start फेयरवेल पार्टी का तनुश्री मैम का फोर्स करना, नो यू हैव टू गो, एंड देन representing my college, myself on that big stage with all those great singers. I think that day I was thanking BCIPS from the core of my heart. That thank you for pushing me, for asking me to come in front, to asking me to speak. Because अगर मैं मेरे साथ वो नहीं होता ना, तो मैं वहाँ पे उस स्टेज पे नहीं होती. Right, and after that I went for certain professional events also. I was anchoring with certain singers also. So that was the impact which which was in my life by just coming in front. So आपको कुछ नहीं करना, सब कुछ आपके लिए प्लेटर में दिया हुआ है guys. Just come and explore. कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी हो, कोई भी, चाहे ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी हो, चाहे आपका कोई कंपटीशन है, हारोगे ना. फर्स्ट तो किसी एक को ही आना है, सेकंड थर्ड आओगे, फोर्थ आओगे, फिफ्थ आओगे, और क्या होगा? व्हाट विल हैपन? नथिंग एल्स. But you will have that confidence that yes, I can do that. Okay, so that is clear that to follow your passion, at least know what is your passion, and for knowing your passion, explore, do works, do internships, right? Then you will be able to know कि इस industry में, इस department में क्या हो रहा है, and if my skills, my values are aligned with the department or not. Okay. Any questions till now? नींद तो नहीं आ रही ना तुम लोगों को? मुझे लग रहा है ऐसा. Are we all good? Backbenchers? कुछ पूछना है? Thumbs up है? Great. So I just want to know who all are wants to, किस को कौन सी इंडस्ट्री में जाना है? मेहिका? HR. You want to go for HR? Great. तुषार? मार्केटिंग में जाना है. तुम तो जिमिंग करो बेटा. Anyone else?
Fintech.
Fintech? That's nice. That's growing industry. That's good. Anyone else? यार इंडस्ट्री बतानी है, अब तक तो पता होगी स्ट्रीम कौन सी ली हुई है, इंडस्ट्री किस में जाना है, आप बताओ. IT में. Nice. Anyone else? IT. Who all wants to go for IT? एक ही है, आप भी IT में जाना है ना. Anyone else? Great. HR के लिए कौन कौन जाना चाहते हैं? HR वाले काफ़ी हैं. Give me your numbers, guys. I'll refer. I think one more person was there who was in the alumni. I think I referred him for Bharti Airtel. Who's not there? I forgot the name here. I think there was one male. I'm not sure about the name. Okay. So he'll be getting a call very soon. So basically that's what I was telling you guys, that explore. So when alumni was happening, Mihika came to me and one more girl was there. Yeah. So that's what you need to do. You just have to come out. You have to speak to people. अगर वो, I forgot the name यार, I'm sorry. But अगर वो मुझसे बात करने नहीं आता, so मैं उसको रेफर भी नहीं करती. सात्विक was there. Yeah. So he was so enthusiastic about his career. He was so looking forward to actually asking me for reference. So I referred him because I saw that caliber in him. That yes, he is really serious about his career, right? So you just don't need to do anything. Just be serious about your career and explore what is happening. Okay? Sorry? नहीं आप लोग कर दो, resume send कर दो. Who all wants to go for HR? I can definitely refer you guys. That's the power of networking actually, right? Because इस टाइम पे ना, when I also used to sit between you guys few years back, I used to think कि अरे यार चल 5% अटेंडेंस मिल जाएगी, बैठ जाते हैं, क्या ही करना है, 1 घंटे में लेके चले जाएंगे. I'm sure most of you are actually relating with me. I can see that. But I'll give my best, I'll try my best to make this session as fruitful as we can, because if you guys are giving me your time and I'm giving you guys my time, छुट्टी लेके आई हूँ actually. So just try to utilize that time as much as possible. Because जब आप यहाँ से बाहर जाओ ना, तो जिन लोगों ने ये सेशन अटेंड नहीं किया, आपके पास एक एक्स्ट्रा एज हो, आपको एक वे पता हो that yes I have to do certain things in my life. Okay. So yeah, coming to the power of networking, that's the second one which I was coming to. आप लोग LinkedIn पे हो, कौन कौन LinkedIn पे है? Okay. And who all are not there on LinkedIn? Why so guys? Instagram पे हो? Instagram पे कौन है? चलो बताओ. I'm sure सबके हाथ उठने वाले, right? विशाल. Everyone is there on Instagram, right? Yes. But LinkedIn पे क्यों नहीं है? Any reason who all are not there on LinkedIn? Why are you not there on LinkedIn? Huh? Speak up, come on, be confident. There must be a reason why.
डाउनलोड कर लिया प्रोफाइल
Download कर लिया प्रोफाइल नहीं बनाई. Okay, it's fine. You are a student, you are studying, it's fine. It's not that bad कि आपने LinkedIn अभी डाउनलोड कर लिया प्रोफाइल नहीं बनाई. It's fine. But LinkedIn पे आ जाओ. Because there you will get a lot of exposure. आपको जिस भी इंडस्ट्री में जाना है ना, you will get plenty of people who are there available. You can directly send your CVs to them यार. And you never know कब तुक्का लग जाए and कब they can call you for the reference also. They can call you for selection or recruitment also. So who all are there, not there on LinkedIn, LinkedIn पे आ जाओ. ठीक है? एक अच्छी अपनी प्रोफाइल मेंटेन करो. Highlighting your participations and your skills and values. ठीक है? Prepare yourself as a toolkit कि हाँ I'm ready to go into the industry. So LinkedIn पे सब आएंगे आज ही. जो नहीं है आज ही make your account on LinkedIn, right? And make a good introductory paragraph. इसको just please mark it down. Just make a good introductory paragraph mentioning your name, your not the designation, but your studies, education, then your skills, the industry which you want to go in. Just make it. Attach your CV with that. Start sending to all the industrial connections which you have. पहले उनसे कनेक्ट करो, ठीक है? रिसर्च करो. आज बैठ के सारे रिसर्च करेंगे. क्या करना है? जिस भी इंडस्ट्री में तुमको जाना है, IT हो गया, HR हो गया, मार्केटिंग हो गया, wherever you want to go, just search marketing and heads. Wherever you want to go, industry अपना देख लेना, सबकी अलग होगी. And I'm sure prepare a good paragraph where you can actually highlight yourself, your skills, your values, and start shooting that message to everyone. You will get rewards. You will get references. Trust me. This is the best approach you can go for. Because job सबको चाहिए. किसको entrepreneur बनना है? Who wants to? That's nice. क्या करना है आपको? Please stand up.
I already have a jewelry business.
You were dancing.
Yeah.
Yes, you dance really well. Yeah. So you have a jewelry business. That's nice. Very good. Amazing. So that also can help you to explore on the social media platforms and to market yourself. Great, going good. Who else wants to go for entrepreneurship? Okay.
पेट्रोकेमिकल में करना है.
Which?
पेट्रोकेमिकल
I
हाइड्रोजन
didn't do that. It's
हाइड्रोजन
इसमें जाना है?
हाइड्रोजन फ्यूल.
Hydrogen fuel. Okay, very different. What exactly is that concept?
हाइड्रोजन फ्यूल सेल्स बनते हैं, गाड़ी होती है, मतलब काफ़ी
Okay,
बड़ा
okay,
वाइड
hydrogen fuels.
बिजनेस है.
So what